Just get a Lexus. Get like a IS 450.
Nah, LFA. Bro.
You don't need a fancy ass Audi.
Dude, LFA would be insane.
They're freaking cool. I suck.
I have a 335. So does Nick.
I had a 1998.
That's
I
gay
got
as
it.
fuck.
Oh my god, I'm cracked.
It was imported, right?
Oh my god, I'm cracked.
What is it?
It was imported, right hand drive.
What is it though?
1998 Honda Prelude.
Oh, that's cool. I got the WRX 2016.
I put on a wide body kit on it. It was just a show car.
How old are you,
23. Well, about to be 23.
Yeah.
You're like 16 max.
Yeah.
No, I have a full-on career. I'm gonna have a career.
That's second ace tonight.
I'm a car.